Did you get my bagels?
Open.
Did you have a good day at work?
Yes.
Oh, finally, you got these bagels. I've been craving a proper cheese bagel.
But Daniel, there's something bigger.
What? What?
Let's check it out. Can we open it,
Oh my
please?
god. How do we open this?
Da da da. 1, 2, 3.
Oh! Doesn't open. One more. Your gift opening skills are not there yet.
Yeah, that means I need more gifts, Daniel. Wow! Boom.
What does it say?
Boom, 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 boom. Oh, just Susan 주시시? 뭐라고 읽어?
It's from Susan.
Was Kiki?
Susan Woshiki.
Are you sure you
Susan
say it right?
Woshiki. Okay, but besides her name, what did she write? Why don't you read for us?
I'm not that good. Since you have the soothing monotonous voice, why don't you read it?
You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had
No, again, it's too buttery.
You've had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't.
1, 2, 3. Whoa!
Whoa!
Can
Oh
I
my
take
gosh,
it
that's
out?
awesome! Yeah. Oh my
It
gosh.
feels so
Heavy.
material.
Yeah, I thought
They
it.
invest quite a lot into this.
Oh my
Oh,
gosh.
what's at the back? Oh, it's like you can hang it. Oh, it's us in here, Daniel.
Yeah.
Our face.
Oh, you know what? We can look. Is we've taken down our fire alarm system because every time we cook, this thing goes off. So, yes, present
Doesn't it
it.
look so sleek?
It looks very slick. You know the only thing I keep seeing is that thing. Maybe
What's
it's an
that?
omen. It's an omen to put our fire alarm system back together.
But don't worry, guys. We have one right next to it. That's safe.
Yeah.
Here.
This thing says we have 100,000 neighbors across the world. I mean, how cool is that? I think that gives our life even more meaning, right? We love it.
I can't really gauge how big it is or small it is.
Yeah.
It's like these numbers. I can't really like.
You can't even fathom it, right?
Yeah.
Me too. When we have all of these neighbors and we send each other like photos of foods and little
Instagram
messages, it makes us just feel so connected. And we want to thank you for building this sort of larger community that's built around Korean cooking and just good feeling in general. Are you crying?
No, I'm not crying.
I'm not crying, yes. Our cooking has gotten better, but both of our English skills have gone down while we're doing these filming. I used to speak really well, but now I just keep saying, hey, guys, you,
Stop it.
so good, wonderful, absolutely amazing. I mean, I just ran out of adjectives. And Katie, what's our next goal? Tell the people, tell our neighbors.
Our next goal is ambitious. We're gonna
Ambitious.
We're gonna reach 500k neighbors.
500,000?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, that's gonna take so long.
It's gonna take 5 years.
It's gonna take 20 years.
10 years.
In order to keep growing our community, I think we're gonna kind of add some new content as well. I know Katie, you guys have been seeing our Instagram. Katie has been making so many Mont Blanc tarts. I mean, I can't eat any more Mont Blanc tarts. We're trying to make tarts we can't even pronounce. Mont Blanc.
We're gonna do a video recipe. I think we're ready to do a video recipe now.
We've done a couple trial and errors. So basically, Katie has been really digging baking.
Oh, let me show you. And then I did a baking equipment haul. Really happy with my pan for the brownie. I'm gonna make a brownie this weekend.
This weekend you're gonna do Tasty's recipe, which was like the internet's best brownie recipe.
Yeah, they said you can't fail it, so I'm gonna see if I can be the only one who fails. Baking until now.
Yeah. Oh, you gotta move the booty. Yeah. Hopefully we can buy a new chair next year too.
So how about you, Daniel? How are you gonna keep it refreshing, exciting, and entertaining?
These eyebrows. You know, I really want to explore home cooking from different Asian regions. Yeah, like Taiwanese home cooking, Japanese home cooking is obvious one. Thai home cooking. I know there's the famous dishes, but like what people eat, I kind of want to explore those and see if we can share that with our neighbors.
Like 똠양꿍.
Once again, thank you guys. I think really this is a award for our neighborhood and not just for us.
Are you gonna stay with us until we reach 500k neighbors?
Get ready to age like 10 years.
So we have to baptize it with some gochugaru.
What?
Abracadabra. Hi.
Peace, guys.
Peace out!
Are you gonna fix our fire alarm?
Oh.